Well, Packwood is a small town with more communities around it right on Highway 12. It has national forest land to the north and the south, and these high winds that are picking up overnight are only making things more challenging for firefighters. A thick haze of wildfire smoke, producing the type of sunset you can almost smell.
Everyone is kind of like sick to their stomach about, we went from evacuation 1 to 3 in minutes.
Carol McIntyre among those in 3 communities near the town of Packwood that are now under mandatory evacuation orders.
That was tough today. I have had ups and downs because everything that I own now is in these 2 trucks and trailers. That's it.
This is the so-called Goat Rocks fire, gains ground, threatening homes in Lewis County. A fire that officials say was sparked by lightning in early August, was knocked down, but then reignited, growing to more than 850 acres today alone.
That activity will increase and fire will begin to grow and spread rapidly. So crews are going to be in there in a dangerous, sometimes situation, working to ensure that as much of those properties stay safe as they physically can.
Dry, hot temperatures combined with high winds, prompting a red flag warning for the area. Ideal conditions for fire to spread. It's not the news McIntyre wanted to hear.
It's sad, but we're a real tight-knit community, so everyone's just zipping around and doing what they can to get everybody else out and, of course, checking on the elderly.
And while the fire burns, there's nothing they can do but wait and hope that fire crews stay ahead of weather that for now seems dead set on fanning the flames. That red flag warning went into effect today at noon, though that dry wind and haze is only expected to pick up overnight. That means fire crews are buckling up for a long weekend ahead. In Packwood, Sebastian Robertson, King 5 News.